Hey guys, it's Charlotte and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is Saturday, which means that we are getting paid, as you can tell by the sum of money that is on the side. So in April we did get 3 paychecks and we are going to be stuffing our last and final paycheck of April, which I'm super excited because one, this is the paycheck that had a lot of overtime because I did work night shift. My regular pay also had call, and I also did some side hustle from eBay, and also with it being our third paycheck, my insurance did not come out, so that is a blessing. That was like an extra $200 that was put back into my paycheck, but taxes did eat it up. It ate up a lot of it. But we're going to go ahead and get started. Now, if you are new to my channel, I do these every Saturday, but only the paycheck every other Saturday during the week that we do get paid. And then the other Saturdays is just up in the air. Like last week I did a updated of my debt. And then every Tuesday we do the money challenges where we try to stuff some money into our money challenge, our $5, $10, 52-week challenge, stuff like that. So that is all on Tuesday. So if any of that interests you, go ahead and subscribe down below. Hopefully next week we are going to be closing out April, figuring out how much money we have in our money challenges, our eBay, and all that stuff. So that is going to be super fun as well. All right, so paycheck number 3, we have $2,492. So that is extremely good for paycheck number 3. And then our side hustle, which is our eBay, I did not get this out, so we are going to be doing the eBay amount closeout next Saturday. So that was $152. You can't really see because I kind of pre-made this layout, knowing that I do not have that, knowing that we had 2 paychecks instead of 3 paychecks. So that is the reason why. So we're just going to add up and see how much we got paid this month. So we got paid $7,043. Have no idea where it went. Don't ask me. Still trying to figure that out. So we are going to, I'm not going to write anything about our bills because like I said, I just made the layout pretending that there was going to be 2 paychecks and not 3 paychecks. But I'm still going to tell y'all, like go down the list and tell y'all how much we did. So for our house, we did $218 for paycheck number 3. So that is just half. So then next paycheck on the 13th, we're going to finish that off. Car, we started off and we did $166. So we only had to pay for that. So that is the first payment of that. Phone bill, I had to pay $100. Went ahead and paid ahead of that. American Eagle, I'm actually paying that off, you guys, at $589. So I just bumped it to $590 to even it out. So we are going to be making our last and final payment for our first credit card, which is super exciting for us. Capital One is not going to be getting anything. I mean, not Capital One, but Chase is not going to be getting anything. Capital One, we are, I think the minimum is $81. So we are putting $118.61. So that is going to kick off our starting pay of that credit card. And then car is not, I already said car. Car was up here. That's car insurance. And then let's see, light bill, we are not putting anything back. So what we did for bills this week is $218 plus $166 plus $100 plus $590 plus $118 equals $1,192 is how much we are going to be putting back for that amount. Now moving on to our cash envelopes. So our cash envelopes are included the food, gas, fund money, savings, which I'll go ahead and tell y'all the savings, and also our cushion fund. So first off, we have groceries. Now groceries is going to be getting $100. 20, 40, 60, 81. And that is for 2 weeks, but I try not to spend it all. And also I do have Jared that we do split our grocery bills. Gas, I have leftovers, so 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have $8 in leftovers over. So this is going to go towards our money challenges on Tuesday. And gas is going to be getting $100 as well. So 20, 40, 60, 81. 20, 40, 60, 81. And that is going to be going in gas. And then our fund money is going to be getting $100 as well. 20, 40, 60, 81. 20, 40, 60, 81. So $100. And then also we do have a cushion fund. And if you are new, our cushion fund is my debit cards. So once I get rid of all of my cash from groceries, gas, and fund money, I do have $300 that I am keeping in my debit card just in case I, need some extra groceries or extra gas, or say that they're not accepting cash for some odd reason. They're just, taking debit card, like stuff like that. And then if I am buying stuff off of eBay or Amazon, because Mother's Day is coming up, so I'm probably going to look at stuff on Amazon. So that is what I am doing. And then also for savings, we are putting $300 back for savings, so that is going to be an increase. I believe we are at $1,200 in our savings account for that. So I'm just going to set this aside, put this in my purse, and that will be ready to go. And also for fund money, it's probably going to be used up for a yard sale. And I'm trying to get back into the weekly check-in. I haven't done a weekly check-in since I went on vacation. So hopefully that will be fixed next week, maybe. So we're going to flip over to the sinking fund. I said fun, F-U-N, but it's F-U-N-D. All right, so first off, we are going to be doing medical. Now we are going to be stuffing $400 in our sinking funds. So medical is going to be getting $75. Car maintenance is getting $75. Renewals is getting $30. Special occasion is going to be getting $30. Vacation is going to be getting $100. Home or house is going to be getting $40. Christmas is getting $5. Beauty is going to be getting $20. And then Dobby is going to be getting $25. So we're just going to add all of this up real quick. So that's 75 plus 75 plus 30 plus 30 plus 100 plus 40 plus 5 plus 20 plus 25. $400. So we are going to go ahead and stuff that, which I am super excited for. So first off, we are going to be doing, not car maintenance, is medical. I did take my medical out because I had a doctor's appointment and I didn't know if I was going to have to pay copay or something. So that's probably my sinking funds are totally out of order. So $75, so 50, 60, 70, and 75. 50, 60, 70, 75. So that is 1, 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, and 91. So $191 is how much we have, which is great. That is going to be a nice sinking fund for that. Moving on to car maintenance. Car maintenance is going to get $75 as well. 50, 60, 70, 75. I'm just gonna want the one that I'm gonna mess up on. Let's see, let's count it. 100, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110, and 115. So $115. I hate having 50s and not like an even amount of 50s, because then it just confuses me. All right, moving on to Renewals. So Renewals is going to be getting $30, 20, and 30. So we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 10, 15, 16, and 17. So $117. Special occasion is going to be getting $30. Now let's see, and I am going to be getting a fitting done soon, another fitting. I think next week, but I'm not paying next week. So 20, 40, 60, 70, and 75. But $75 should be enough for my dress fitting to pay that off. Vacation is going to be getting $100, and this is going towards our 1-year anniversary in October. 1, 2, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So we have 50, 1, and 2. So $250. Home is getting $40. 20, 40, 60, 81, and 5 and 10. So $110 for that. And that is actually going to cover my part of the HOA that is due in June. Christmas, I don't really put anything in there. But I have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I have $16. And just to let y'all know, I went to Ibotta shopping yesterday, which when you were watching this, it's Saturday. So I went Ibotta shopping on Thursday, actually. And I hit my goal, you guys, milestone. We have fully funded our Christmas fund, and it is $16 plus $513 is how much we have in Ibotta, and I am so excited. So that is, I am just in shock. So what we're gonna do after $500, I need y'all's help. Should I continue to do Ibotta and anything over $500? Should I continue to put it in Christmas, or should I put it towards our vacation in October? So let me know down below what you guys think I should do with the Ibotta money after the $500, because $500 is definitely going to be fully funded for Christmas. So let me know down below for that. Beauty is getting $20. 20, 40, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, and 77. So $77. And I think I have to do my hair and makeup for the wedding is what I decided I'm going to do. So I can't remember. I think it's $100. So I'm well on my way towards that. And I don't know how much my goal is for the fully funded one. So Dobby's getting $25. So that's 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, and 49. I did have to spend $60 on dog food, but that is going to that's going to last for like 3 months. See, I already forgot how much it is. 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, and 49. So $49. All right, you guys, so that is it for the stuffing portion. Now we're just going to add all of this up and see how much we are at. So 191 plus 115 plus 117 plus 75. Yep. 75 plus 250 plus 110 plus 529 plus 77 plus 49 equals to $1,513 is how much we have in our sinking funds. Now remember, $513 is towards Ibotta, and that is safely in there, secured and all that stuff. But that is how much we have. $1,513 is how much we have saved up, which I'm super excited. Like, we are well on our way to fully fund a lot of these. I think medical and car maintenance will never be fully funded because I'm constantly doing that. Renewals, I think I'm going to do like 250. Special occasion, that's up in the air, so probably about $200. Vacation is literally $3,000. Home is, it's $110, so technically it is fully funded, but I am going to be putting money in there because we do need, you know, renovating some stuff and all that, everything else. Christmas is fully funded. Beauty is probably going to be doing, I want to say about $200 for beauty, because once I'm done with my hair and makeup for the wedding, I want to use beauty as, you know, any makeup that I need, shampoo, conditioner, anything like that I need to go and pick up at like Ulta and stuff. And then Dobby, I think Dobby would never be fully funded because I just need, just in case stuff happens and he needs stuff, or grooming, food, vet's bills and all that stuff. But anyways, you guys, so that is it. That is our third paycheck of April, our very last paycheck, and we stuffed some pretty good envelopes today, pretty much all of it. And just come back on Tuesday because we are going to be stuffing our money challenges, and that is going to be super fun because we are bumping up vacation as well. Again, it's going to be really good, guys. But anyways, I love you guys, and I will see you guys later. Bye.